Hey everyone, want to see your Android phone screen on your PC? It's super easy and I'm going to show you how. So let's get started. First, we need to enable developer option on your Android device. To do that, go to your phone settings, scroll down and tap on About Phone. Here, find build number and tap it 7 times. Then you will see a message saying you are now a developer. After that, we need to enable USB debugging mode. To do that, go back to your settings and tap developers option. Here under debugging, you will see USB debugging. Just enable it. Now we need to download and install screen copy software. To download it, you can go to the official GitHub page and I will provide the link to that in description. After the download is complete, extract the files. Now connect your Android device to your PC using a USB cable. Moving on, open the folder where you extracted the software. Then double click on the .exe file to run it. You will see a prompt on your phone asking for permission to allow USB debugging. Tap allow. That's it. Your Android screen should now be mirrored on your PC. You can see and control your phone from your computer. So that's all for this video. I will see you guys in the next one.